We're here today on Car Free Day, hosting the Transportation Expo for Fairfax County at the Fairfax County Government Center. Our goal here is to provide different information on commuting alternatives in Fairfax County, such as carpooling, van pooling, as well as the Fairfax Connector transit service. We're here to talk to people about using different commuting alternatives. It's very important for people to find out different options on commuting to work. Number one, to help with the traffic in Fairfax County, as well as to provide them with a different emergency backup in the case that their car is not available to them, and just to give them a little bit of flexibility on commuting in the area. Some of the exhibitors that we have here with us today are the Commuter Connections organization, as well as Enterprise Rideshare, as well as our host of the event, the Transportation Services Group, our residential team, the Commuter Friendly Community Services, as well as Metro. We're also here celebrating the Fairfax Connector's 30th anniversary. As a part of this, we have the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors issuing a proclamation making this week officially Fairfax County Truck Transit Week. As a part of the 30th anniversary, the Fairfax Connector is providing free rides on the service system-wide all throughout the county on September 29th. The purpose of the Expo today is just to be here to be helpful to our residents in the county and commuters in the area, and just to provide a number of different options to help people with their daily travel.